How to delete Telegram account permanently. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete Telegram account permanently, not for 1 month, not after 6 months, not after 1 year. You just need to delete right now. So if you wanna delete your Telegram account right now, then this video is absolutely for you. So guys, without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, let me just get inside my Telegram here. Now you have to click on the top right, top left corner. There you can see the 3 days. Simply tap here, and then this type of interface will pop up. So you just need to click on settings. After clicking to settings, what you need to do is that you have to scroll down. Okay, after scrolling down here you can see privacy and security. Just tap on it, and then here you just need to scroll down and you can see there is an option to delete your account. If you click on this, you can see it shows your account will be automatically deleted if you don't use for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year. But if you want to delete your account permanently right now, what you need to do here, I'm going to show you in this video. So guys, here just go back. Okay, go back to your settings, and then here scroll down and click on Telegram FAQ. You can see here on the bottom, simply click on Telegram FAQ, and then guys, here just scroll down and you have to search for account option. Okay, so you can see your account option is here. So guys, what you need to do is that here on the option 1 2 3 4 5, on the option 5 you can see delete your Telegram account option. Simply tap on it, and then here on the top you can see deactivation page. Simply click on this option and then hold on for some time. It will redirect you to a page. Here you can see this kind of page will be appear here. Now here you can see your phone number. So what you need to do is that you have to enter your phone number with your country code. So for example, if you are from USA, then your country code is +1, and if you're from India, is your country code is +91. So like this you have to enter your country code. So let me just enter my country code here, and then after entering the country code you have to enter your phone number here. So let me just enter my phone number right now. So I have successfully entered the phone number, and then now you have to click on next option. So guys, here you can see confirmation code. You just receive a code. Okay, so guys, let me just clear you, you will not receive this code on your mobile number. Okay, you will receive this code on in Telegram itself. So you have to scroll down, and here you can see you just received the code. You can see this is the code where it is. Let me just uh, hold on and copy this. Okay, after copying, let me just go back to this particular page, and then let me just enter the confirmation code here. Okay, and then you have to you can see remember me. So you just don't need to remember me, just click on sign in option, and then here you can see why are you leaving. So you have to just you have to just give some excuse like no time or something like that. No time. Okay, and then you can see on the bottom delete my account. Simply you need to click here, and here you can see are you sure, warning, please only delete your account if you no longer want to use Telegram. If you deleted your account now, it may not be possible to sign up again for several days. So what you need to do is that yes, delete my account option is available. Simply you need to click on delete, and then here you can see Your account successfully deleted from our system, come back soon. Isn't it's interesting. So in this way you can delete your Telegram account permanently at once. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon on the next video.